up, you chili cheese eating French fry mother?
What's up, all you cream dinner eating mother?
This first YouTube video this season, some of you may know Isaac. Hi, boys. The vlog, boys. Back to the vlog. Video is just gonna be installing Isaac's rear camber plates. He put it on washers. He's the one that got me into all this stuff. I'm sure you guys already know that. I'm on the way to Dr. Tires right now. Obviously not in my clapped Beamer because there ain't no motor in that. But hopefully getting another motor for that soon. We'll see you at Dr. Tires.
How you doing, my friend?
I don't get adrenaline off of being 2 feet off the car, 2 inches off the ground. Bro.
What people do.
Damn, bro.
So now this is currently day 2. Basically I was there, as you guys can see from the clips, till about 10:30 last night. And Isaac was still working on his plates in the rear. Then they're fighting bolts, I guess, and he stayed there till about 5:30 in the morning. Some of you may know this guy.
Whoa.
Some of you may know this guy.
Hey, G35. SRT4.
This
Now we're
guy's
on the truck, bro.
this- guy's a full-on Tuquache now. That's crazy.
Bought it, I heard it. I was like,
You think it likes reverse? Alright, Isaac, do a little rundown of what we had going on here today.
so, it took 9 days, but we got it done. I should turn this on so you can see.
Oh, there you go, that'll work.
Yeah. So it took like 30 days, but she's done. But finally got my camber plates in. This Jettas are they don't have any camber adjustments, so you gotta put washers on. It's sketchy as but got her done. Took forever. Took like 2 days, but
How many washers you got in the back?
5. So right now we're dialed in at -10. So she's pretty prime right now. She's pretty prime.
Finally got her dialed in.
Then I was so anxious to get it done. So anxious to get it done. But
I can't even see the bumps with this thing. Stabilizer's insane. All over these back streets.
Like a caddy, bro.
Ready? But
Sure, it works, man. For automotion, you know, the roads in the Dells are absolutely dog poo-poo, so.
But I'm gonna get some rollers of this beast. Any last updates, Isaac, you want to say?
No, but just hopefully to get my BBSs done before automotion. If not, damn, that dude's running. What?
So he's not even jogging, bro. He had like a full fit on. He had like a full fit on. He wasn't even.
Oh yeah, I also had to delete the rear calipers. So I'm running on only front brakes right now. Pretty sketch, I know. But we're doing it for the culture, man. You see it, my life.
Alright, well, it's time to pass the torch on to someone else's front seat and get some rollers for this boy.
Okay.
Yeah, nigga.
You know what I'm saying?
You gotta let that feeling feel good.
I ain't gonna keep playing with y'all.
Man, let me hear it, man.
Not like I was before, though.
Man, come on. I'm parked out front in a Range Rover. Coke white so tight, game over. Coupe to the block, bop to the vein. Car full of girls in a blue Mustang. More y'all caravan. VIP modeling hand, bottling hand. Wobble again. I make it crack in the back of a Benz. My cracking a friend on the highway. Just me and Wiz with a dirty dozen. About to handle it. Was they cousins or was they twins? I love it when they both go all in. Like that, this one and that one. See, he wants the cute one, I want the fat one. Cause she pay what she weigh. I'm looking for a Jennifer Holiday.
Don't do it like this. Let her pop a pill that's full play. Now I'm all in her face like Olay. I'm like, okay, I kill a pussy like OJ. Smoke trees, count a meal before I dip. So much that the bank can't fit. She chose something, can't blame her. We get from high skyscraper. We came this far, never gon' change up. Homie, that's Taylor. Back seat. How I like to ride, 2 freaks, trapped in the side, just like the club, now she wanna slide, nigga keep calling, so she try hide, big chain, got her eyes wide, big chain, nigga no lie, presidential, monumental, she only fuck with you when the rent due, I'm trying bag one when I spin through, on the grind getting money's not an issue, you know it's the bomb just by the cent, nigga saying he a pimp, but he doing shit that.
So that is what the 2 days of this last weekend was like. Hopefully within the next, I want to say by the end of June is when I want to have my motor back in. Hope you guys liked the video. I don't even know when the next video is going to be honest. It's going to be soon for sure because there's so many meets coming up. Thanks to everyone who was in the video. Thanks to everyone who's watching, and hope you guys like my hardest YouTube video so far. Deuces.
Damn, that dude's running. What?
So he's not even jogging, bro. He had like a full fit on.